Every home is special and so is ours. When our friends and family visit our home, the very first thing that catches the eyes is our entryway. The entrance to our beautiful abode always deserves the same love and care as inside, as the whole vibe of coming home is captured in the area just outside the door, the outside entryway. Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. For most of us living in apartment complexes, the outside entrance become our common area. But nevertheless, a few non-intrusive additions and decor touches, we can make our entryway beautiful, calming, inviting and functional. Durga Puja, Diwali, Eid, the entire festive season is knocking at our door. Let's dazzle up our festive spirit with this entryway makeover video. Also, this video is in association with Skillshare. So, let's get started. Before we decorate the entryway, decide the style first. Whether it's contemporary, minimalistic, traditional, modern, bohemian, mid-century modern, etc. If you do not know yet, look around your home. What kind of a decor and artifacts have you collected over the time? What piques your interest? There, you will find the answers. And if you are still confused, hang in there. I will be sharing some amazing ideas in a while. Always remember, whatever style you follow or like, never forget to personalize your space. My style is a mix of Indian traditional with modern elements, and you will see how I will hold the focus and decorate our entryway in this video. Let's talk about the entryway element. The very first element of an entryway is the main entrance door. This door you see is an old standard apartment door just like this. We didn't change the door, we have just renovated it. Such a budget friendly idea it was. Used a thin plyboard and laminate with this T-putty. With the help of clever design and without spending so much money, the door turned out to be really superb. Second important element of an entrance is lights. Do not forget to use ample lights outside of your home to usher in good positive vibes. Third element is the shoe rack. This 3-step shoe rack gives this small space a height and a dimension. I have designed the shoe rack with plywood, laminates, T-putty and granite slabs. Another important element for entryway is a small sitting space. If you do not have a foyer or entryway inside your home, a small sitting space outside of your home will be a great solution where you can just sit and tie your shoelaces. I would like to add plants in any entryway. Keeping a few plants outside entryway tells all the story about the people living inside the home. Now this sixth element is completely optional, but can we deny all the charm of our home lies within this element, decor objects. Our colors often are an extension of our personalities, subtly speaking about our personas. Choose your colors according to what pleases you the most and make sure they are well coordinated. Too many bright colors can be an eyesore and too many sober colors can be difficult to maintain at times. Trust me, this one segment selection of colors can mess up the whole decor vibe and the coherence for that matter. Thankfully, I took one of my favorite interior stylist Emily Henderson's class, Style Your Space on Skillshare. My doubts were all sorted. I'm sure you have heard about Skillshare in our previous video, and I was so happy when they reached out to me to speak about their platform to our lovely viewers, since it is one of my favorite online learning communities where I have explored and enhanced my creative side. Skillshare is an online community where you will find tons of inspiring classes. You will find so many different workshops on decor, interior design, lifestyle, productivity, self-care, plants, cooking, baking and whatnot. I always say knowledge is power, and when it is within your reach, you should not miss the chance to grab it. Skillshare's annual subscription costs less than 2400 rupees, which is less than 200 rupees a month, in which you get unlimited access to all the classes that are curated by industry experts and leaders in the respective fields. Even a decor artifact will cost you way more than 200 rupees, isn't it? Since this is a platform specifically designed for learning, no ads will be there and you can learn hassle-free. I am going to share a link in the description box where our first 1000 viewers will get 1 month free trial classes of Skillshares. Start something new today. Let's get back to the color palette for this entryway makeover. Already the base wall is quite neutral and subtle. The door, furniture, everything has a neutral brown base and decor elements are in brass finish. Now I will be adding 2 more colors here, one black and then orangish yellow inspired by this beautiful Raja Ravi Verma painting as a pop-up color. This wall is an extension of our apartment. The DIY I plan to do on this wall will incorporate some colors and dimensions that I feel will lift up the space nicely. I'm planning to draw an arch and then I will put this wallpaper on the wall. Finger crossed. Let's see what can be done.
I was old, I was young, I was sitting in the sun. I was tired of the run, I was done. Life was great, life was hard, in a way an awful card. You can't win the losing hand. But the rain stopped falling and the line on the floor was crossed, and the pain I'd been feeling washed away to return another day.
Oh my god, this is looking so amazing. I was so worried how it will turn out, and look at that, a perfect wallpaper arch. Move on to the another DIY project which I'm sure you are going to love it. To add a little interest and to maintain the flow of that wallpaper arch, I decided to create a DIY art piece. Let's check it out.
How are you? Are you blue? I can sense a sadness in you. Don't you worry, every storm passes on.
Here you go, a lovely DIY art piece to add all the charm in our entryway. Let's just hang it above there. To add the pop-up color, I'm painting this giant pot with yellow enamel paint. Now we are all set to decorate our entryway. I wanted to add this beautiful Raja Ravi Verma painting here in the middle of the arch. It has such a calming and welcoming vibe. Adding this wall bracket to hang plants. Adding a bench in our entryway will be a nice touch if you have a nice view in front of the door. We can also go with an asymmetrical decor concept here. For our entryway, I am going to use these knobs on the shoe cabinet. These knobs in white and black print matching with the color theme here. I have added this beautiful door knocker. As I told you, I will be sticking with a traditional plus modern approach for this entryway makeover. I will make sure that I will link all the product in the description box below for your reference. This black and gold door handle has ensured a seamless flow to the space. Having auspicious elements like potted green plants at the threshold, a nice mat to catch not just dirt and dust but also all bad vibes are a few additions I like to make. Can we finish an entryway decor without a lovely nameplate? I bought this Dokra wood plank from Amazon, then customized the entire concept from a local shop. Let me know in the comments if you have any query. I will try to answer. During Diwali or any other festival time, I love to invite all the good vibes and positivity with a traditional Urli filled with flowers and candles. Don't forget a parameter, which is cleaning. Add a decor element to an extent what you can manage with your daily life. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like this decor ideas, and send me some pictures how you are going to decorate your entryway for this festive season. You can always find us on Instagram and Facebook for more videos, pictures and life updates, and don't forget to subscribe to Home #Life. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.